Hello my dear students, welcome back to your English online class. As you know that our first terminal examination is going to start on 9th August. So this is the last video before that. So in this video we are discussing some model questions for first terminal examination. So all of you take one pen and paper before starting this video, so you can check that how much you have learned before the examination. So choose the correct option. It is from the first chapter, The Common Man. See the first question. R.K. Lakshman was a cartoonist, journalist, novelist. Which is the correct answer? You write it. What was Lakshman's favorite subject for sketching? Buildings, cross, people. You choose the correct answer. Lakshman's elder brother was the celebrated novelist. What was his name? R.K. Raman, R.K. Krishnan, R.K. Narayan. Then fourth question. Which drawing of Lakshman's did his teacher appreciate? Options: people leaf, banana leaf, coconut leaf. Then which word is correct? Encouragement, encouragement, encouragement. So you can find the correct word from this. The spellings are wrong for two words. One is correct. Choose that. Next chapter is He Can Do, She Can Do. This poem is one of a set of songs from the album My Heart Songs, My Life Songs, My Earth Songs. Choose the correct answer. In the poem, the poet refers to a lady doctor, lady police, ladies pilot. Dad is doing the cleaning, laundry, gardening. Meaning of the word delicious: salty, sweety, tasty. Which word is correct? You choose and write. Next chapter, Elephants and Mice. Meaning of the word ruined: abandoned, destroyed, constructed. The village was destroyed by cyclone, flood, earthquake. The elephants were dashed to the mice: angry, grateful, envy. Elephants realized that size doesn't determine the beauty, wealth, and strength. The area of a town or city that are far away from center are called islands, outskirts, border states. So next we are moving to the next chapter, Friends. Who is the writer of the poem Friends? Abraham Lincoln, Abby Fowell Brown, Tagore. Meaning of the word gentle is calm and quiet, calm and rude, kind and calm. The word that means keeps going on and off as it shines. Snickers, flickers, crackers. The kisses of sunlight compared to the kisses of a father, brother, mother. Next chapter, a letter from Japan. The word that means preventing someone or something from harming you. throwing off, kicking off, warding off. The star festival in Japan is called Hanami, Tanabata, Omisoka. The word that means dolls in Japanese is Hina, Matsuri, Sakura. Raji had written to Yuno about Deepavali, Holi, Sankranti festival. Now let us move to the last chapter, Abraham Lincoln. The word that means someone who has lived in the rural area, not in the city. Gentleman, country bred, city man. Opposite of the word duly is properly, neatly, improperly. Opposite of the word awkward is uneasy, easy, difficult. Now we completed 25 questions from your English syllabus. Just check your answers. Then you will understand how much you have learned before the examination. After that, all of you find your correct answers from your textbook and write that answers and send it to my WhatsApp number. You read all the parts in your textbook, important words, its meanings, question answers, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following. Everything may come for the examination. Tomorrow also you will get one more set of model questions through your notes. So all of you prepare well, study well, and make a good result in your examination. Okay, bye.